you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Hi clients! Okay, so we are back again para sa panibagong video kung saan we visited Urban Deca Homes Ortigas. So samahan nyo ako tignan yung kanilang amenities, units, showroom, then yung location na parang nag-viewing na din tayo dito sa project. Ayan sa clip yung ating 1.2 hectares na park. Ayan, mayroon tayong malaking park as part of our amenities. So, located lang naman ito along Ortigas Extension, walking distance sa SM East Ortigas. And pinable na din naman siya sa Google Maps. So, ayan, andito tayo ngayon sa ating 1.2 hectares park. Ganyan po yung view every sunset. Ganto kaganda yung vibes every 5 PM on its best time. Very walkable and pwede kayong mag-jogging or walk every afternoon kasi ganyan yung vibes. As part ng ating amenities, meron tayong clubhouse na well-lit kahit umuulan. So tara, punta naman tayo sa ating clubhouse. Okay, it is a 3-story building kung saan yan, dyan magkakaroon ng coffee shop. Then dito naman grocery store or convenience store ang tinatayo ngayon. So sa taas niya, meron siyang very spacious na roof deck kung saan kita yung buong amenities natin, yung buong 1.3 hectares park. So dyan sa ground floor, dyan itatayo yung coffee shop. Then by the way clients, meron na tayong ATM machine which is a good sign kasi may mga nag-i-invest na banks dito sa atin. They are seeing na the potential of the project and they are now putting their assets. So yan, katapat ng ating coffee shop yung ating grocery store. It also has its CR per floor. Siyempre, if meron tayong daytime, meron din tayong nighttime. So ganyan po kalit yung ating clubhouse. So currently, mayroong bazaar dyan. Okay? Then for our park, meron yung ilaw, yung ating benches. So park na park talaga siya. So ayan nga, occasionally meron tayong mga bazaars every weekends. Then nagkakaroon na din tayo ngayon ng community for Zumba. And wow, may mga pailaw na ngayon yung ating clubhouse. For our 2 basketball courts, yan, lit din yan siya every night. So, may community na tayo for volleyball and basketball. Every night yan ganyan, mga around 10 to 11 PM. So, up above, using our drone, ganito po yung ating view from our clubhouse to basketball courts. Ganyan po, kaganda yung ating amenities during its night time. Okay, so pwedeng-pwede pa din siyang lakadan. So, enough for our amenities. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa unit. So this is our 2 bedrooms, 30.6 square meters na unit. Okay, so ganyan na po yan siya ita-turn over. May doors na, may tiles na, may paints na, and livable na po yung ating unit. This is our most affordable unit, okay, kung saan ang down payment niya ay only 10,000. Under na yun ng Pag-ibig, then yung monthly niya mag-start lang yan siya ng 18,000. So imagine all of that for only 10,000 down payment, then ipaprocess na agad yung loan natin under Pag-ibig. Para mas magkaroon tayo ng idea anong pwedeng gawin sa unit, punta naman tayo ngayon sa dress up unit natin. So same unit to, okay, dinress upan lang para magkaroon tayo ng visualization kung saan ilalagay yung ating appliances. So yung gantong unit, very perfect na to for staycations. Pwedeng mag-start around 1.9 per night yung gantong unit. So if interested ka magpaset din ng site viewing dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, you may message me dyan sa number sa taas or sa aking Facebook account. Yung links niya nasa description na, or you may search Agent Q1 sa Facebook or Instagram. Meron din tayong part 2 for this video kung saan diniscuss natin yung computation naman ng project. Okay, so make sure to subscribe para ma-update kayo for new videos. So I guess that's it clients. Bye!